And now, it's time for Duggets. Lord. Alright, so we're on a very short road trip to Halfords because Mike has no gasket.
Fixing Jeff the Lexus.
Jeff the Lexus. I've got this on again every day. It smells good. If you can just hear that, you should hear a cheeky knock, and that is my bottom end. No, it's not. It's
knock.
It's not an SR20. It's a 1.9 TDI. So ignore that. Something about this channel that you might wonder is why we have such varied content between Andy doing the newer cars and me and Mike doing the crappy car. No, I'm joking. The good cars, the old cars. And that's because we like different things. We're all car enthusiasts, and I think it gives something to the channel. It gives something a bit different. You get the two different vibes.
Very.
It's nice. I think it's good. I think you should enjoy it. So, you know, obviously, suggest what you want, but we're happy with that. I mentioned it before, but we're gonna. Charlie.
Like a friend.
I love Charlie.
That's a nice bike.
That's a nice bike.
Oh, it's a 125.
It's a 125. You read my mind. This geezer isn't.
Hey!
Fuck!
Mans can't drive.
I knew he was going to do that, but I was trying to get past him. Just pulled out on us. We're going to go get some KFC as well.
Are you?
Well, no, I am. Because I'm hungry. Right. So what do we need, Mike? We need gasket material. Gasket. Look at that, they got a great car, that's good. I could do with a bucket. For a tenner. See, I need a set of spanners. And some spanners, okay? I'm buying these. Because I need a secondary set of spanners, mate. So, we've taken a cheeky stop in KFC because what's car work without a quick snack? Quenched. So, how much you spend, mate?
I got a loan out.
Really?
Yeah.
APR?
10%.
That's not bad.
It's expensive.
So, what are we doing now? We should really be working on cars.
Yeah, but food is energy.
Thank you. Cheers.
Food is energy. Energy is life.
Well, yeah, that is true, Mike. I've now got my food.
Why have I got a bag and you got a box?
Well, there's no salt, mate. I wanted salt.
Yeah, see what's happened there?
It's ridiculous.
They've insulted you, though.
You're clever. Let's go. So, what's happened there is Mike's playing with the exhaust, and it's it's a little bit loud. Yeah, so that's a little bit loud. That's straight off the manifold. Well, no, it's not. It's off the downpipe. That smells. I think I've just taken a few years off.
It does smell quite strong,
It's a bit tasty, really. Right, so we have done something. Not a lot, but I've sprayed the anti-roll bar and torsion bar for the left side of the car. And yeah, it's an alright job. I just sprayed it quick. Bit of black paint on them, stop the rust, and I'm going to be changing them in the next year or so anyway, for something a bit more spicy. Shut up! But yeah, they'll do for now. Anyway, Mike's finished his car as well, so we are very near to hearing if it's blowing anymore. we can
You know
hope
your
not.
car's low and you gotta sit it on blocks just to jack it up and bring it down.
I know, go on. So yeah, Mike's car's a bit low. Not a lot we can do about that. Well, there is, but why would you? It's quite cambered as well, as you will see in a mo.
That's about right, that's good.
Camber. That's only one side drops in there. That is definitely a little bit higher than it was.
That's good.
You have an arch again,
That's a lot higher.
which is nicer. Yeah, it was pretty fucking low before, I'm not gonna lie.
That's a lot higher now.
Yeah, obviously it's sound blocks in it, but that looks a lot better. That looks kind of tuner, not stance boy. I like. Right, so we've just had all that fun, and now there's a 350 tune up. So I'm sure you're gonna do some nice little skids as well. So, yee! And Mike's burnt his clutch out. No clutch.